So welcome to our next how-to video. Today we're going to look at adding and subtracting negative numbers, something that people find reasonably difficult. So we'll show you the way that we do it now using manipulatives. That's just a posh way of saying using counters. So the only thing we really need to remember for this is that the yellow counters, they're worth +1, and the red counters, they're worth -1. And when you put a red and a yellow counter together, that effectively makes 0. You'll see this visually in a minute. We're going to do some calculations, and we're going to use the MathSpot website to help us, because they've got counters on here. So the first calculation we want to do is 3 minus 5. So here's our 3, 1, 2, 3, and our minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, a positive and a negative together make 0. So these here will just disappear, which leaves us 3 take away 5 is -2. And we can see our -2 just there. The next calculation I want to do is -3 plus 6. So here, -3, and then plus our 6, 2, 3, 6. So again, we can see here that these cancel each other out, which leaves us +3. So -3 plus 6 is +3. We used to use a number line to do this, and we still do that. But number lines aren't particularly useful when it comes to the last example, where we're taking away a negative number. So for this one, I want to do 5 take away -4. Now, I've started off my 5, but there I haven't got -4 to take away. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to add in some zeros. So remember, this is the manipulative way of showing 0. And if I put in enough, if I put in 4 of them, I now do have -4 to take away. There they are, the red counters. That's the manipulative equivalent of -4. So now I can take that away. So -4 being taken away like that. And that leaves us 5 take away -4 gives us our 9. And it's quite a visual way of seeing it, a way that we wouldn't necessarily be able to see if we were trying to do it on a number line. So that's how we add and take away negative numbers. We use the manipulatives, and thanks to the people at MathSpot for the website. It's a brilliant tool. There's lots of really good stuff on there. Check it out if you're looking at this type of thing. Check back next week for the next in the how-to videos.